Hi, I'm Mike Knoll. I work in the brokerage department at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Been in the boat business for over 40 years.
My name's Andy Farmer. I work for MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. I've been in the brokerage business 13 years now. We have 3 full-time brokers in the Carolinas with over 50 years of experience. We specialize in selling brokerage inventory. We take pride in doing a thorough, detailed listing of our inventory. We come out, we take detailed photos, we do a complete inventory list, we field phone calls, we take care of haul-out surveys, transportation, financing, we escrow money, transfer of funds, transfer of ownership. We really try to make the process as streamlined as possible, one-stop shop to get your boat sold.
MarineMax is the nation's largest recreational boat seller. We have over 60 locations throughout the United States. So by listing your boat with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, you get exposure with all of our locations and all of our brokers.
Over the years, the marine industry has changed. The days from folks walking in the door at your local dealership and buying a boat have shifted to the majority of the purchases starting with online inquiries. MarineMax is an industry leader in our internet advertising. If you check all the major search engines online, you're going to find the MarineMax inventory there.
If you're in the market to purchase a boat, we would love to help you as well. Could be a boat that we currently have listed, or like a real estate broker, we also will help you search the market to find the right boat. We'll assist you through the negotiation process, through the inspections, survey. If you have any loan needs, we have sources there. If you're from the Wilmington or Southport areas, we actually have on-the-water service and haul-out facilities available, travel lift, whatever your needs are, we're here to help you.
One of the biggest benefits of listing with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach is our location. We're the 50-yard line of boating in this area. Our office is where buyers and sellers want to be. Here at MarineMax, we have an in-house business manager. He specializes in financing, insurance, and marine warranties. Really what that allows us to do as a broker is streamline the process for the buyer. One advantage of MarineMax is I have the ability to be able to take trade-ins. If I can take a trade-in on a larger boat, that gives me and the seller of that boat one more opportunity to find the right buyer for the boat that we're listing.
So if you're considering selling your boat, please get in contact with us. We'd love to do a free market analysis for you. We will research market comps, recent sold boats, book values, and be able to give you a very good estimate on what we feel the market value of your current boat is. And then, of course, we hope we can help you sell it. Based on all of the tools that we offer you and our confidence that we can get your boat sold for top market value, we hope you'll list your boat with MarineMax of the Carolinas.